Hi everyone, according to some documents, the Mid-Autumn Festival was held under the Lý dynasty. Lý, king, wanted to thank the dragon god for bringing rain to the abundant harvest. The festival is held annually on the 15th of the 8th lunar month, Mid-Autumn Festival. In August, the weather was cool, the field work was not busy. Parents and grandparents were resting. They played with their children and grandchildren. They made bamboo lanterns for children. The lights were bright in the night. Under the ground was bustling with the sound of a lion dance. And above the stillness was the perfectly round shape of the moon, making both adults and children happy, bewildered and full of emotions. They gathered and were hungry, so they had a mid-autumn feast to nibble on, plus a cup of tea to enjoy.
Chú Cuội,
And
chị Hằng
are two symbolic characters of Mid-Autumn Festival who were in charge of the moon. The moon cake would be cut, equal to the exact number of members in the family. This is a symbol of the moon. The lanterns could be released into the sky or floated along the river as a connection with the past, gratitude, and sending wishes to the gods. It is your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go! Great job! A little bit every day. You will get better. See you again with other interesting lessons of TRUNG.